I'm not sure I know what you mean by that one, man.
This guy's literally got spiders in his shoes all over the place, and he's walking around and he's acting like that's not terrifying when that's terrifying, okay? It's terrifying to have spiders in your shoes, and you should stop. I literally don't even care. So I don't know why I'm even doing... I don't even fucking care. And they fall for it again and again. 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 They fall. You don't even care. So what are you doing here? You're yawning on live stream. What are you even trying to say about society? You're just yawning live stream. And I'm stuck on the forest floor on my phone, scrolling and scrolling and scrolling for some background noise to get rid of the crickets. Again and again, they all fall for the same tricks. And I tell myself I'll never fall for these tricks, but as I'm scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, I just get madder and suck myself deeper and deeper into this until I realize that maybe I am wrong for having spiders in my fucking shoes. Fall for it again and again. They fall for it again and again. They fall for it again and again. They fall for it. Yawning on live stream. Yawning live stream. You're so funny. Everyone can hear you, honey. Yawning on live stream. Isn't it great to be so important? Tearing the other down. You're so funny, you're so funny. Yawning on live stream. Everyone has an opinion. Hit this button to share yours.